I have two windows open. The Today's Computer Tip website is for me to screenshot, and the Word document is for me to paste my screenshots to. To open Windows Snip and Sketch tool, use the shortcut Shift-Windows-S. A toolbar will appear where you can select what type of screenshot you want to take. These include regular snip, freeform snip, window snip, and full-screen snip. Let's use the rectangular snip. I'll match up the crosshairs to what I want to capture. Left-click, drag, and release. My screenshot has been saved to my clipboard and a pop-up has appeared on the bottom left of my screen. I'll ignore it for now and use the paste shortcut Ctrl-V to paste into my Word document. Now let's try the Freeform Snip. This option lets me draw an outline with my mouse. Let's use that pop-up this time by clicking on it. This opens up a Snip and Sketch window where I can annotate and edit my capture. My most used tool here is Highlight. I can draw attention to a specific part of the capture and send it to coworkers or friends in an email or chat. From this window, we can either save the capture as a file or copy the image. I'm going to copy, but you can save by pressing the Save button to the left of the Copy button. I can now paste into my Word document and exit out of the Snip and Sketch window. Moving on to the Window Snip. Upon selecting the Window Snip option, you can hover your mouse to identify which window you would like to capture and click to confirm. This capture is automatically saved to your clipboard and you can paste where you choose. Finally, let's Shift-Windows-S and select the Fullscreen Snip. Selecting this option will automatically take a screenshot for you and save it to your clipboard. I can now paste my capture. To learn more tips, visit us at todayscomputertip.com.